Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome again to Tech World Travels and Review. Cooking has barely changed over decades. We still watch the stove and guess the temperature and cross our fingers and hope that everything cooks at the same time. But what if your kitchen can actually think? Well, that's about to change. Today we're looking at the WAN AIchef Ultra, an AI chef that actually sees, cooks, and thinks. A game changer. It's an AI-powered cooking system that brings AI into one of the most important parts of our lives: healthy home-cooked foods. WAN AIchef does the rest, recognizing, deciding, cooking, and providing restaurant-quality meals automatically. At first, it looks like a premium kitchen appliance, but inside, it's much more. A powerful NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano AI processor continuously analyzes every stage of the cooking process, making thousands of adjustments that simply aren't possible by hand. Built-in 12 megapixel AI camera actually recognize the ingredients you place inside. It understands what's being cooked, recommends the best cooking method, and then watch your meal as it cooks in real time. One of my favorite features is that you can actually watch your food through the live camera. It's like having a window into your meal, seeing every stage of the cooking process without opening the door or disrupting the heat. It's surprisingly satisfying and gives you more complete confidence that dinner is progressing exactly as it should. What actually sets us apart is the precision cooking. WAN AI Ultra maintains a temperature of plus or minus 3.2 degrees Fahrenheit, constantly adjusting the heat to ensure that every ingredient is cooking exactly as intended. That means crispy vegetables, tender meat, perfectly cooked fish, and guess what? All at the same time. Its 35-liter cooking chambers can prepare multiple meals using dynamic temperature control. That's right, imagine warming milk while toasting bread or steaming vegetables while preparing lunch. One appliance, one touch, multiple meals, all cooked together. Tell me that's not cool. And because it's completely smoke-free, there's no flame, zero mess, and a cleaner kitchen. The intelligence doesn't stop after one meal. The WAN AIchef Ultra comes with over thousands of recipes, and the AI continuously learn your preference as you keep using it. You can build family profile, set calories, track protein, carbohydrates, and nutrients in real time. It can even generate personalized weekly meal plan designed around your healthy goals. Everything is controlled through this beautiful 15.6-inch touchscreen. It even has a hands-free voice command and a companion app, which means that even if you're not standing in front of the appliance or sitting on the couch, you can set up your meal cooking directly from that couch. This makes cooking super relaxing and very convenient. It also feels like you have your own personal home chef. And tell me, who doesn't like their own personal home chef? We have seen AI transforms our home, our car, our phone, and now it's transforming our kitchen. The WAN AIchef AI Ultra isn't just simplifying automated cooking. It's making healthy meals more consistent, accessible, and honestly, more enjoyable. If you ever wish cooking could be more easier without sacrificing quality, then this might be one of the most exciting ever. The future of cooking isn't just smart, it's intelligent. And now I'm getting hungry. Let's go cook some salmon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone out there who's looking for an easier, automated, high-quality cooking appliance. This is what you need. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are.